This is me at 18, sensitive, reserved, and a girl full of insecurities and self doubt. Just finished my school and moved to a different city, Delhi, for my further studies. And now, when I look back to last 10 years, I have realized how much I have grown and how much I have learned about myself as a person. So, like, if I could sit with my younger self today, I would not give her a list of things to achieve. I would just simply tell her to breathe. I would tell her about self love because जब हम 17 18 के होते हैं ना, we are in such a rush to figure out everything that we forget to be present. So in this video I will share 5 pieces of advice that I would give to my younger self. If you are 17 18 right now, or if you are someone who is just figuring out life, figuring out things, dealing with the same struggles and same emotions that I once had, this video is for you. So, first is you don't need a grand plan. When I was 18, it felt like everyone around me, like my friends, my college mates, my classmates, my PG mates, उन सबको देख के ऐसे लगता था that they have a clear vision. They know what they want to do in their life, in their career, or where they want to get a job. While I was still figuring out life, was still figuring out things, what I really want to do, what kind of life I really want to have. एंड उस टाइम पे मुझे ऐसा लगता था दैट देर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद मी बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव दैट 5 year प्लान और क्लियर विजन अबाउट फ्यूचर. आई फेल्ट कन्फ्यूज. बट नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक आई रियलाइज दैट नॉट नोइंग वाज कम्प्लीटली ओके. मोस्ट ऑफ अस एट दैट एज, हम में से ज़्यादातर लोग उस एज में बस गैस ही कर रहे होते हैं कि हमें ये करना है, हमें वो बनना है. They might had a plan, but life उन plans के according चलती कहाँ है. We discover new interests, we meet new people, we change careers, we change our direction, we realize what we actually enjoyed doing in life. If I tell you my story, my father wanted me to go for civil services to prepare for that. And but somewhere in my heart I knew that this is not for me. But still after my graduation I shifted to North Delhi especially to prepare for that. And when I experienced that vibe, that ambience, that coaching institutes and all, I got sure in my heart that no, this is really not for me. And then I prepared for CAT exam for 1.5 year to go for MBA. But then COVID happened, lockdown was there, life changed, my priorities changed, and my interest also got changed. And today what I'm doing is something I never planned at 18. Like if you had asked my 18-year-old self where I would be today, I probably would not have guessed this path at all. And the interesting part is I'm really enjoying and I'm feeling aligned more than ever by doing what I'm doing now. So, हम कितने भी plans कर ले, universe has its own plans for us. So it's okay if you don't have a grand plan yet. Just focus on the next step that are in front of you today. That would be enough. Next is you don't need to fit in everywhere. You only need to belong where you can be yourself. And this is the lesson that I've learned the hard way. When you force yourself into a group, an environment or a lifestyle जो आपके nature से match नहीं करता, you just lose yourself. Back then when I was 17, I was this calm introverted girl. I enjoyed solitude, and my friends, roommates, classmates, they all had these groups where they enjoyed gossips, parties, and loud energies. And every time I tried to join them, I found myself more drained. I felt that time that this is weakness in me and I have to work on myself. I have to be more social. I have to go out and involve in gossips and parties and all that. I blamed myself, but the truth was I was never meant to belong there. Belonging and fitting in, इन दोनों में डिफरेंस होता है. फिटिंग इन का मतलब आप कौन हो, आपकी रियल पर्सनैलिटी क्या है, आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है, आपका नेचर क्या है, उससे आपको कोई मतलब नहीं है. You just wanted to be accepted by others. So you do things against your personality, against your values, so that people can include you, people can accept you. You get the approval. And belonging means आप जैसे हो आप वैसे ही रहते हो, फिर भी accepted feel करते हो. You don't feel the need to impress anyone or to pretend to be someone else. जहाँ vibe match नहीं हो रही, you just distance yourself from that. There is this quote that I have also shared on my Instagram that in the presence of another who truly listens, the soul begins to remember its worth. उन लोगों की प्रेजेंस में जो आपको रियल में समझते हैं, your inner self shining on its own. You get more confidence, your self-worth increases, you feel naturally happy and connected. And on the other hand, अगर आपको pretend करना पड़ रहा है to fit in, your soul starts shrinking. You cannot be yourself. So it's okay if you cannot fit in with majority of people. It's not your weakness, it's your uniqueness. And people who are like you, your tribe, your community, they will find you and will connect with you naturally. Be authentic and be yourself. The advice I would give to my younger self is stop letting others decide your self worth. I wish I had known this before, that true self love means if people are perceiving you wrong, if they are judging you, if they are gossiping about you, let them. You don't need to justify yourself. You don't owe anyone an explanation of who you are. हमें ना तब वर्ती फील होता है जब लोग हमारी तारीफ करें, हमें इंक्लूड करें, हमें वैलिडेशन दें, हमारे साथ अग्री करें। और जब हमें ये सब नहीं मिलता तो हमें अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ पे डाउट होने लगता है। ट्रू सेल्फ वर्थ इज नोइंग दैट यू आर इनफ एज यू आर। यस, हम सब में फ्लॉज होते हैं, हम सब में वीकनेस होती है, बट दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स अस ह्यूमन ना। नोबडी नोज एवरीथिंग, नोबडी इज परफेक्ट, एंड देयर विल बी ऑलवेज समवन हु इज बेटर देन यू, हु नोज मोर देन यू। I have read somewhere that a society filled with sinners judging sinners for sinning differently. हम सब अपनी अपनी कमियां लेकर जी रहे हैं और दूसरों को जज कर रहे हैं उनकी गलतियों के लिए, एज इफ हम परफेक्ट हो। You know, we are all growing and learning at our own pace. So you are already enough, imperfectly perfect, and no one else's approval is required to make you feel worthy. Next advice I would give my younger self is that reprogram your inner voice. The voice in your head is not who you are. I really wish that I had known this earlier. You know, just because a thought appears does not mean it's true, or you have to believe it. हमारा माइंड कंडीशनड होता है पास्ट बिलीफ से, पास्ट के एक्सपीरियंस से, फियर से, हैबिट से, बट यू गेट टू चूज what thoughts to believe and to nurture. I really wish that I had known this earlier, that your mind is a tool, not your identity. And it's possible to change that inner voice in your head. I realized this later, that you have the power to make your mind your best friend and your worst enemy. You have the power to choose positive, compassionate, supportive thoughts. And जितना ज़्यादा आप नेगेटिव थॉट्स को अटेंशन दोगे, फोकस करोगे, उतना ही ज़्यादा वो आपको ओवर पावर करेगा. Next advice I would give to my younger self is that things eventually gets normal. Everything falls into place eventually. You know, हमें लगता है हमारी जो करंट फीलिंग्स है ना, करंट इमोशनल स्टेट है, मेंटल स्टेट है, वो हमेशा वैसे ही रहेगी. Especially when we are inside that feeling, it's hard to believe things beyond that. But things always changes. चाहे वो कितनी ही आपको रियल लग रही है इस टाइम पे, it's all temporary. When we are young, we are teenagers, we figure out so many things for the first time. We stepped out into the world and see things from our, limited perspective, and everything feels so intense and so permanent at that time. But one thing I wish I had known is this, that things eventually settle down and life has a way of moving forward. आप बस उन चीज़ों पे फोकस करो जो आपके कंट्रोल में है, बाकी सब कुछ यूनिवर्स एंड टाइम विल हील. Change is the only constant. You won't feel this way forever. Any situation you are dealing with, just give it time. And I promise you that it will change with time. बोलते ना, time heals everything. Yes, time really heals everything. It won't affect you that much that it is affecting you now. जो भी चीज़ें overwhelming feel हो रही है, you will realize that it was just another chapter of your story. So these are the 5 advices I would give to my younger self. Tell me what your younger self needed to hear desperately. Like what lesson, what advices you will give to your younger self. Honestly, every step of our journey has a purpose. Mistakes, the setbacks, the difficulties, they all shapes us in the way that we cannot see at that time. When looking back, I realized that every experience taught me something valuable, and what we are today is a result of what we have been through. So have a nice day. I hope this video helps. Meet you in the next one. Take care.